Oh my.
这个青春的小革命差。
Aloha.
Aloha.
Thank you, three of you. Come on, guys, one more time. Aloha.
Aloha.
There you go. Aloha once again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our coconut demonstration. I'm going to show you guys how to husk and open coconuts today, okay? Great. As you can see around,
Wow, muscle
we
man.
have lots and lots of coconut trees that make coconuts,
Cool.
which we eat every single day. Even though we have McDonald's, Pizza Hut, and the 10,000 ABC stores in Waikiki. So you guys shopping there, huh? Well, show events. How have you guys husked a coconut before? Anybody? Husked a coconut before? What do you guys use? Chainsaw?
我就想说，你之后哪里有洗手？说海水啦。
Use your Tommy John's use this. One more time. English sharp stick. How's the coconut? Right coconut. Right coconut, just like this. It's nice, tan, brown, just like me. Yeah. Some of you folks are not right here. It's okay, guys. 20 more hours in the sun.
Sand,
Let's
see. People, boats, and sky. Trees, more sunshine here. Wow, I love the sky and the white clouds. Love them. Coconut trees and crowds.